Let's show you guys the tree up close here so you guys can see the branches. Very nice little light bulbs. It's got that classic style. Again, very nice. I have no complaints. It was simple from start to begin with. Hi friends, today we're going to be reviewing this Christmas tree. So guys, this is how it comes in the box. They are numbered 1, 2, and 3, which makes it easy for installation. What's nice is the stand can be easily used, and it's nice and foldable. So all you do is you open it like this, you put the bolt that they provide straight through, and that's it. So it's going to go like this. It's going to be number 1, number 2, and number 3. And make sure you connect your plugs together as you put each part on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. A couple things I want to go over. You're going to see all these gaps in here. That's only because we just took it out of the box. What you're going to want to do is, once you get it open and set up, you go ahead and you move the branches and you kind of play with the branches to make it your own. So you can bend them, fill in all the gaps, and make it like a real tree. Now I'm going to let my wife do that because she is way better at that kind of stuff than me. So you won't have all these gaps. Like, you won't have such wide gaps when you're done. It's going to be completely filled side by side all around. It's going to look way better as well. Again, you can, you take the branches and you just bend them to however you want. So you basically make it your own Christmas tree, which is really cool. So besides that, it's really nice, guys. I like it. I think you guys are going to like it as well. I don't see any complaints. It took me less than 5 minutes to set it up. Again, number 1 piece, number 2 in the center, and number 3 for the base. It's that simple. It is not hard at all. It might take my wife and I maybe 10 minutes to move each branch, to fill in all the gaps, customize it how we want. So maybe 15 minutes total setup. That's not bad in my opinion. And the nice thing is it folds and bends back, and you can put it in the original box it came with if you don't have a Christmas tree bag. But overall, very nice, guys. Now we just wait for my wife to get off work, and again, what you do is you just simply, you got a gap here, bend, move stuff around, fill in the gaps, just like that. It's so easy.